If you're looking for a Coursera discount code in 2026 and want to know exactly how to claim the deal step by step, this guide will walk you through everything quickly and simply. And before we start, there's a link in the description that takes you directly to the official Coursera Plus discount page so you can check the latest offer yourself. Right now, Coursera is offering a limited time discount on Coursera Plus, where eligible new users can get the subscription for $14.40 per month instead of the regular $24 monthly price for the first 3 months. According to the official Coursera offer page, this deal is available for a limited time. So here's how to get the Coursera discount code deal step by step. First, open the official discount link in the description. Once you land on the Coursera Plus page, you should see the discounted pricing displayed directly on the screen. In most cases, the reduced price is automatically applied, so you usually do not need to manually enter a coupon code. Next, create a Coursera account or sign in if you already have one. After that, choose the Coursera Plus monthly plan and continue to check out. Before paying, double-check that the discounted price is still showing correctly. Then complete the payment process and activate your subscription. Once your account is active, you'll instantly get access to thousands of courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects from companies and universities like Google, IBM, Meta, and the University of Michigan. One reason why many learners prefer Coursera Plus is because it can be far cheaper than purchasing multiple courses individually. Instead of paying separately every time you enroll in a new program, the subscription unlocks access to more than 10,000 learning programs across business, AI, technology, programming, marketing, and more. You can also earn certificates after completing eligible courses, which many people use to strengthen resumes, improve LinkedIn profiles, or build career skills for higher-paying jobs. Just remember that this Coursera discount code 2026 promotion is mainly for new Coursera Plus subscribers and may not be available in every country. If you want to check whether the discount is still active for your region, use the official Coursera Plus link in the description below before the promotion expires.